Hello everyone, welcome back to ESL Trail. In today's video, let's learn how to express anger and annoyance in English. Sometimes you are irritated by what other people say and what other people do, and you want to show your annoyance. And sometimes you want to show your anger. And let's see how we can do that. There are actually many expressions, but I have mentioned only a few here in this video. Okay, the first one is, you can say, how dare you? What the hell? What on earth, or where on earth, or I'll be damned if, or I am damned if. You can say mind your own business, or it's none of your business. Anyway, let's get back to the first expression that we thought of, that is how dare you, how dare you. Okay, let's see the structure that we can use with this how dare you. How dare you. Now this you can be replaced with any other pronoun like she, he, and they. How dare you, how dare they, how dare he, how dare she. And after this you always have verb 1, the base form. But must remember that this expression is considered informal and it's not polite, and you are not advised to use that in polite situations or situations where you need to be polite, like you are talking to strangers, you are talking to some people who are elderly, and with friends you can use these expressions. Okay, how dare, the subject and the verb 1. Okay, let's look at a few examples to see how it works. How dare you make fun of me like that? How dare you make fun of me like that? Now, want to show anger because somebody made fun of you, maybe teased you, and you want to say this one. I mean, you want to show anger. How dare you make fun of me like that? Next one. How dare you talk to me like that? Because somebody has been rude to you, and you say, how dare you talk to me like that? Next one. Somebody used your car or something without your permission. You say, how dare you use my car without asking? How dare you use my car without asking? Okay. And we don't like bossy people who always give orders and tell us what to do, what not to do. Now, if somebody has told you what to do and you think it is inappropriate, you can say, how dare he tell me what to do? And then if somebody walks into your room or gets into your room without your permission, you say, how dare she get into my room? How dare she get into my room? Okay, this is the first expression. The next expression is what the hell, or how the hell, why the hell. Remember that these are usually used with questions. Again, let me remind you that these expressions are used to show annoyance and anger. Now, if you are not happy with what somebody is saying, or maybe telling you, you say, what the hell are you talking about? What the hell are you talking about? Now, this what the hell helps you to convey that you are angry, that you are annoyed to the other person. So, what the hell are you talking about? Or you can say, where the hell did you hide the money? I don't find it. Where the hell did you hide the money? Annoyance or anger. Or next, if you think somebody did not tell you and then you are shocked, you are annoyed, you are angry, you can say, why the hell didn't you tell us? Why the hell? Now, why is used because we want to focus on the reason. Why the hell didn't you tell us? Or if you want to talk about the manner of something, I mean, the manner in which something happened, you can say, how the hell did my phone come here? I did not leave it here. I left it somewhere, but it is here now. How the hell did my phone come here? Okay, now we have covered two expressions that we can use to show anger and annoyance. Now let's move to the third one. What on earth or how on earth. You can also use where on earth. So what on earth, how on earth, with questions. Okay, let's look at examples here. Again, these are for showing annoyance or shock or anger. What on earth are you doing here? When you see somebody who is doing something strange and that person is not supposed to do that there, you say, what on earth are you doing here? I didn't expect you. Okay. Or you can say, how on earth could she buy that car? Now, you know your neighbor is not rich enough to buy a car. You think that she can't afford a car, but she has a new car. And then you say, how on earth could she buy that car? I'm really shocked. Okay, how on earth did this happen? How on earth did this happen? You want to know the reason and you are really annoyed, irritated. You want to show anger. How on earth did this happen? Okay, now this takes us to the next expression, that is, I'll be damned if. You can also say, I am damned if. I'll be damned if, I am damned if. Let's look at a few examples. I'll be damned if I can find my keys. It means I can't find them. I'll be really surprised if I can find my keys. I don't think I can find the keys. That is the meaning. And you are really angry. And let's look at the second example. I'll be damned if I let him in the house. That means I won't let him in the house. I won't let him in. I'll be damned if I let him in the house. I'll be damned if, and you add the statement that you want to make. I'll be damned if I let him in the house. It means I won't let him in the house. And next one, we learned that we can use I am damned. So, I am damned if I apologize. I am damned if I apologize. The meaning is, I won't apologize. I'm really angry. I am damned if I apologize. I won't apologize. Now, along with these, we can sometimes use some other expressions. Let me remind you of those. You can say, mind your own business when somebody tries to intervene or interfere in your affairs. Maybe you're doing something and then somebody comes and then tries to advise you and you think that it is inappropriate. You can say, mind your own business. Or you can say, it's none of your business. I can manage. It's none of your business. I hope you have learned how to express anger and annoyance in English. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.